Whether you're a professional photographer, graphic designer, or just someone who loves taking and editing photos, we can all agree that image background removal could be a hassle, most especially if you have a lot of images to work with. Hey guys, Justice Hart here. In this video, I'll show you how to bulk remove backgrounds from photos with one click or two. The first thing to do is to download and install the bulk background remover software. Once the installation is done, double click to open the software. Click on Tools and select Background Remover. Click on the folder icon and select the image you want to edit. The software uses credit, so you must be logged in to use it. Don't worry, you can use it for free. However, once you've exhausted your free credit, you would have to buy some more to continue. Click on Start and select Continue Trial. Once it's done, you can check details and edit your image. The software has some plain color and non-plain colored backgrounds that you can use. Click on Save to export the final result. After exporting, it will open up the destination folder. You can also use this method to remove backgrounds and edit multiple images fast. You can do a lot of things with this software, so paying for it may not be such a bad idea. What are your opinions? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.